In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect IC markets with Tradingview. If you want to place trades directly from your charts and manage positions without leaving Tradingview, this walkthrough is for you. Before we begin, make sure you have two things ready: an active IC markets account that supports Tradingview via the CTrader or Tradingview-enabled account type, and a Tradingview account. A free Tradingview plan works fine for this connection. Start by signing in to Tradingview on the official website or app. Once you're logged in, open any chart so you can access the trading tools. Along the bottom of the chart, you'll see a tab labeled Trading Panel. Click that to reveal the list of supported brokers and connections. If you don't see the panel, try expanding the chart window or switching to the desktop layout so the bottom toolbar is visible. Inside the trading panel, look for IC markets in the broker list. You can scroll or use the search bar to find it quickly. When you see IC markets, click Connect. If IC markets doesn't appear, it usually means your IC markets account type isn't enabled for Tradingview connectivity or it's not available in your region. In that case, double-check with IC markets that your account supports Tradingview via CTrader or the Tradingview account type. A secure login window will open, asking for your IC markets credentials. Enter your account number and your password exactly as you use them with IC markets. This window may also ask you to confirm permissions and authorize Tradingview to access your trading account. Review the prompt, then authorize the connection to proceed. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your IC markets profile, complete that verification as prompted. Always make sure the login page shows the correct, secure domain before entering any credentials. After authorization, Tradingview will confirm that you're connected. You'll notice your account status in the trading panel, and in many cases, your balance and open positions will populate. From here, you can place market or limit orders directly on the chart, drag stops and targets visually, and manage positions from the panel without leaving Tradingview. If you have both demo and live accounts, ensure you've connected the one you intend to use and be mindful of market hours and instrument availability. To keep things tidy, you can disconnect at any time from the same trading panel if you're switching devices or taking a break. That's it. Your IC Markets account is now linked to Tradingview, and you're ready to trade right from your charts with a seamless, integrated workflow.